How to install Bybit application on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on your iPhone and looking to install the Bybit app, then you are in the right place. First of all, open up your App Store and also make sure that you are connected to a stable internet on your iOS. And then inside the App Store, go ahead and type in Bybit and search. Look for this application from Bybit Fintech Limited and tap the Get or the Cloud icon. Now, if you are downloading it for the first time on your iOS, you'll need to go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password to confirm the installation. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This usually takes just a few moments depending on your internet connection. Now wait for the application to install, and once it is installed, you can tap open the application, sign into your existing account or create a new account if you are new to the platform. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.